Today, in Temples 360 channel, we are going to see about 8 Shivalingas, which is found in one place. All the Shivalingas are facing west direction. It is to be calculated that they are more than 1000 years old. They all 8 Shivalingas are found in one place called Nellikupam in a Kadalur district. And now you are watching Arulmigu Virthagirishwara temple, which is a famous temple in Virudhachalam, and it is said that the ancient king who ruled this place had worshipped this Shivalinga as Virthagirishwara. Virthagirishwara had found to be in a ground, and the people of locality and devotees of Virthagirishwara took up Shivalinga and constructing temple now. This Virthagirishwara solves a problem related to searching a good bride and groom. Also, he gives a good knowledge to a child. Nearby bus stop is Tirukandeshwaram, Vazhapattu. The second one you are seeing is Nadanabadeshwara temple. Swayambhu Lingam is present here, which means naturally appeared Lingam. This Lingam were in this place for more than yugas. Lord Narasimha meditated in this temple to calm down his anger after a Hiranya's defeat. Lord Sun and Indiran lost their jobs, so they came here and worshipped Lord Shiva to get their postings back. And Ananda Kaila Bhairava in this temple has the same power to the Kasi Kala Bhairavar. Nowhere you could see the Kala Bhairavar with smiling face and a Virchiga Mudra on his head, which means Scorpio Mudra on his head. Lawyers, politicians, businessmen can worship this god and get a benefit. The nearby bus stop is Tirukandeshwaram bus stop. 5 minutes walk from Tirukandeshwaram bus stop will reach this temple. The third and fourth Shivalingas are Reena Vimokshana Lingeshwara and Margabandeshwara. Reena Vimokshana Lingeshwara will cut off our sins and bless us with a beautiful life. Problems between the husband and wife will be solved by worshipping the Reena Vimokshana Lingeshwara. This god and Margabandeshwara blesses his devotee with the baby. And it's good to worship Margabandeshwara during last Sunday of Kartika month. It is believed that Shiva opened his eyes and saw Brahma on this day. These twin lingas blesses their devotees near to Nadanabadeshwara temple. Just 1 minute walk from Nadanabadeshwara temple, we can reach this Shivalinga's place. And these Shivalingas are facing the direction of west. Whenever the king go to the war, they used to worship Margabandeshwara, since Margabandeshwara is called as the god of journey. Now we are going to see the great god, whose name is Tirumulanadar. Tirumulanadar blesses their devotees with a good knowledge. This god cures the problems related to brain. This Tirumulanadar statue had been made with a lunar magnetic stone, which means this lunar magnetic stone will absorb the more cooling from the moon, and which will be cool even in a daytime. When we reach this temple, the time is around 3:30 to 4 pm. I had touched this statue, I could feel light heat. This Shivalinga is also facing the direction of west. It is good to worship Shivalinga and get relief from a brain related disease. With 10 minutes walk from the Nadanabadeshwara temple, we can reach this Tirumulanadar temple. And now we are at Vishwanathapuram village. The temple we are seeing is Vishwanadeshwara temple. As like Kasi Vishwanadeshwara, here the king worshipped this Shivalinga as Vishwanadeshwara. Here this temple lies near to the river bank of Tenpennayaru. Whenever we go to Kasi, we used to worship Kasi Vishwanadeshwara by taking a holy bath in a river Ganga. Kasi Vishwanadeshwara will remove the sin of a human being. Likewise, the king worshipped this Shivalinga taking a bath from a Tenpennayaru, and then he worshipped this Shivalinga. By his name Vishwanadeshwara, the locality is also called as the Vishwanathapuram. This temple lies nearly 3 kilometers away from Nadanabadeshwara temple. It is easy to reach this temple while we travel from Kadalur to Melpatambakam Riverbank Road. Now you are seeing Bhuminatha Swami temple, which is 3 kilometers away from Nadanabadeshwara temple, and this temple is located in Vaidapakkam village, Nellikupam. You can reach this temple from Nadanabadeshwara temple. Also, you can reach this temple directly from Nellikupam police station bus stop. A 10 minutes walk can reach this temple easily. And here, ancient days, this Shivalinga had been worshipped by King Pandyas, and now the people of locality and the devotees of Bhuminatha Swami had constructing a new temple for this Swami. This god cures the problem related to buying and selling of property. If you have a dream to construct a new house or to buy a new property, you can visit this temple and get a blessings of Lord Shiva. And now you are watching Arulmigu Sri Amirthalingeshwara, which is found in Solavalli village, Vasandam Nagar, 2 kilometers away from Nadanabadeshwara temple and 1 kilometer away from Nellikupam. Here, Amirthalingeshwara blesses his devotees with great knowledge, and he recovers the person who were in a severe problem. If you have so much of stress and you have so much of problems, you can come and worship this Amirthalingeshwara, who cures all the problem and will lead your life in a peaceful way. It is said that all these Shivalingas are also taken from a ground and worshipped by the locality of people and the devotees of these Shivalingas. And now you are seeing is a Venkateshwarar. Tiruvenkateshwarar is called as Adi Chidambaranathar, which is found near Mailaduthurai district. But this Venkateshwarar is found in Nellikupam. You can worship this god to get a greater knowledge and greater skills in your life. It is located in a Melbadi village near Nellikupam, 3 kilometers away from Nadanabadeshwara temple. You can reach this temple. Apart from this temple, you can find Shivalokanathar temple, which is in Tiruvallur Nagar in Nellikupam, just 2 kilometers away from Nadanabadeshwara temple. Also, you can see Nellayappar temple, which is located in Nattam. This Nellayappar is famous in Tirunelveli district. It is believed and proved that whatever the blessings and credits you get on worshipping Kashi Vishwanadeshwara and Rameshwaram Ramanatha Swami, the same you can get on worshipping these Shivalingas in one day. Whenever you have time, you just visit once in your life to this place called Nellikupam, located in Kadalur district. Thank you. Subscribe us.